Hey guys, my name is Jackie and I just wanted to quickly show you my latest plus size find on Amazon UK and USA. This really lovely round neck sweater. Now this is not sponsored or anything like that, it's paid for by me. The reason why I'm making this video is I bought this one to see what it was going to be like. And I liked it so much, I bought 3 more. I also bought a variety of different sizes to see how they felt as well. Now this is not from the regular Amazon, this is from a part of Amazon which is you may not have even seen. It's called Amazon Haul. It's very similar to those two other online shops that do but sort of specialist shopping. One beginning with S, one beginning with T. Let's call them Sheemu. And I believe it's kind of Amazon's take on doing that, but with the convenience of using your existing Amazon account, all your details, all that stuff is kind of built into Amazon. And I'm a plus size girly, as you can see, and I've always trying to find plus size things that I like on Amazon just for convenience, knowing that I can return them super easily, all that stuff. And also I like knowing of when it's going to come. I like the fact that you can. Anyway, so with this top particularly, the reason why I've fallen in love with it is one, nice and round neck, but it's not too tight. I don't like things being too close to my neck. It's got a good arm length, and the main thing, it's just super soft. It feels like pyjamas, but it's okay enough to wear all time round, so I can go into the shops and no one will think that lady's wearing gym jams at the shop, but I'm not. It's really comfortable and it comes down. If you're like me, I'm 5'3", comes down to under my bum, which for me, you're a plus size person, you may feel the same. You want your bum covered up, you just feel a bit awkward if you don't. Maybe that's just me. But as I say, I liked it so much that I bought another one. Now, I'm a plus size girly, as you can see, so I do struggle to find clothes that I like that fit my budget, to be honest. This is a 4XL. I am a UK 22, 24 on a bad day. This is quite roomy, so I decided I like the fit of it. So I went and bought some more, but I kind of bought a couple of sizes different to see is there a big difference in the fit. This is in the blue, but I picked up as well. This is the charcoal, absolutely identical. Again, the round neck, the nice long sleeves, the super softness. It is so lovely. It's kind of like, not a teddy bear fleece, but yeah, kind of like a really soft fleece. It's really nice. So let's try this one on. So this is the grey, this is the neck size down. Feels very similar in the sizing, to be honest with you, not much difference. Feels lovely and comfortable, lovely and soft, good arm length for me, no issues whatsoever. Well, of course, I'll be leaving the links below so you can grab these if you want to. But yeah, I really like it. It's got a nice sleeve there. It's so soft. It's not velour, but it's not velvet, but it's really lovely. So this is the 3X in this one. Now I've also got 2 more. They also put it in the green and kind of like the camomile latte coffee colour. But this one is in the 2X. This is in the 3X as well. So this one's the same as this one. Let's try the green on so you see what the green looks like. And here we've got the green. This one's slightly more fitted, I think, but still very comfortable. I've got no issues wearing this whatsoever. Really nice. Again, we've got that nice round neck. There's the nice stitching. Oh, and there's also no scratchiness. No, the tag is absolutely fine as well. So that's good. Yeah, I love green. And green's one of my favourite colours. I look like I'm wearing Christmas colours, aren't I? But I'm not. And finally, let's try on the chocolatey colour. And this is kind of like a latte chocolatey biscuit colour. Again, the sizing is much as this is a 2X. So I've gone from a 4, a 3 and a 2. And I think the sizes are really much for muchness. But again, it's got that nice round neck, the nice shoulders there. Nice and roomy, very comfortable. But yeah, I like it. I'll leave a link below for the UK store and the USA store. I think it's just launched in Canada as well, so you can have a little look around the haul. They put coupons and things up there all the time, so just keep an eye on it. But yeah, as a plus size girly, this was, when I purchased it, about £6.50, so about $9, so it was very affordable. The prices will change. Yeah, really comfortable. I like it. What do you think? Let me know below where you buy your plus size clothing. I really want to know. And thank you for watching.